Hello friends, welcome to the yet another video of Pratham Test Prep. My name is Nikhil. I am here to help you in filling up the form for IIP University, which is also known as Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University based out of Delhi and NCR region. Guys, there are a lot of students who face problem in filling up the forms. So what we have done, we have created the form filling videos in our YouTube channel, which is Pratham Test Prep. If you go and see the videos, you'll be able to find step by step how to fill up that form, so and you will not make mistake in filling up the forms. Guys, we'll have to understand कि अभी almost सारी यूनिवर्सिटी ने अपने एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म्स रिलीज कर दिए हैं. देयर आर वेरी फ्यू यूनिवर्सिटी yet to release the forms, like Delhi University is like pending, DU JAT is pending. If you see, St. Xavier's is pending. Rest all majorly all the university have already released their applications form, like IIP University, Jamia University, CLAT, ALET, Symbiosis, Nursing, Munji, UPS, Dehradun. These universities have already launched their application form. So if you guys have not filled any form, you guys can see to the videos which we have written on the Pratham YouTube channel, and you can take our help in filling up the form. So before proceeding and show you how to fill up that form, what we're gonna do, we'll talk about the IP University first, what courses they offered, what is the last date to fill up the form, what is the costing of the form, about those particular things, and then we'll show you how to fill up that form. Guys, one thing is important कि जब भी हम लोग कोई फॉर्म फिल करते हैं, we will have to sit patiently and fill up that form, because अगर एक छोटी सी मिस्टेक से अगर मेरा एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म रिजेक्ट हो जाता है, तो बेटर देन दिस आई शुड गिव टाइम टू इट एंड देन फिल अप दैट फॉर्म. आई नो फॉर्म फिलिंग वीडियोस बहुत बोरिंग होती हैं, बहुत लेंदी होती हैं, बट यस, ये सिचुएशन उससे बेटर है कि हम अगर गलत फॉर्म फिल कर दें एंड फॉर्म रिजेक्ट हो जाए. सो गाइस, पेशेंटली फॉर्म को फिल कीजिए एंड take our help in filling up the form. We are putting this video on our YouTube channel. So moving forward, I hope this window is clear to you. Okay, so we'll be talking about the courses offered in IIP University. They are having BBA course, BA LLB is there, BBA LLB is there. For mass communication students, they have BGMC. For hotel management students, they have BHMCT. For BCA students who want to get into the IT field, the BCA option is also there, economic honors is also there, and BCom honors option is also available there. Along with these options, they have some more options available on their website. If you see, they have English honors, they have history honors available too. So talking about the eligibility criteria, minimum is 50% you should get in 10+2. That is the minimum compulsory percentage which a student, the aspirant should get into the thing. Selection process is you will have to appear for the IIP University entrance exam based on the merit basis. You will get the colleges as per their selection process. The online applications were started on 10th June 2021. The last date to fill up that form is 15th July 2021. So approximately 1 month time we have to fill up that form. The form application cost is 1200 rupees per form. So if I'm filling up 2 forms, I'll have to pay 1200 multiplied to that is 24. So once I click on form link option here, I'll be on the website of IIP University. So this is the IIP University website. If you guys can see, there's an option called register registration 2021. Just click on this option and you will get this window. You'll get this registration page. You don't have to fill in the information here. Just below that, you'll have an option called new candidate registration. Click on new candidate registration and you will get I agree, some terms and condition options. Click on I agree and click on submit. Once you click on that option, you will have the first registration page. Punch in your name there, the STD ISD code, which is India code is 91. We all know that. Mobile number we'll have to mention there. We need to punch in the email ID. Now, earlier what used to happen, IIP University used to give their user ID themselves. But now this time we'll have to create our own user ID and the password. So you need to punch in your user ID, whatever you want to put in. So I have kept Nikhil5747. The same way you can keep your thing. Now talking about the password should have the a special character. It should have a special character. Along with that, number should be there, and along with that, caps or upper caps or lower caps should be used in that. So you put a combinations like that, and you can hit the password. There's a security pin we need to punch in, which is on the right hand side, and click on submit. Once we click on submit, this will give us the option which we have already filled. Once you click on the final submit option, it will give us this username option. So the information will be sent to a registered email ID so that we can save the user ID there and we can use it whenever it is required. Once we do that, we will click on login option and we will punch in the username, password, and the link. Finally, we will get this particular window where we can start filling up the form. This time, form is completely different. Last year, the process of filling up the form was different. This time is a bit different. So this is how we fill up that form. These are the options which is reflecting. Here we need to choose the option which we want to go for. We'll have to we can choose any of the option: BCom honors, BBA, Eco honors, whatever desired option we have. We need to click on complete your personal information details option. Once you click on that option, it will give us this page. So on the personal details, we'll have to punch in the candidate name. We'll have to punch in the father name and the mother name. The date of birth has to be there. Gender has to be mentioned. Below that, we have the category options. Please see the categories available. That is general option is there. We have general EWS. We have SC, ST, and OBC category available for IB University category sections. So we can choose the desired one and we can click on next or submit. After that, we'll have to punch in the contact details information. Once we click on yes option here, we will get this details. So we'll have to punch in the address here, premises name, location, country, state, district, PIN code number, ISD, and the alternate contact number with alternate email ID. Once we punch in those information, we can put our permanent address on the lower side. If the permanent address remains the same, we click on same as correspondent address and click on save and next. Once we do that, it will take us to the next window wherein we will have to punch in our photograph and the 10th certificate. So this is the this is the situation where the student faced problem in filling up in attaching the photograph because the size has to be between 10 kb to 100 kb. The photograph which we click from the phone, they are normally a size of 2 MB, 3 MB, depending upon the photograph resolutions. So we'll have to compress the size of the photograph, then only we'll be able to attach the photograph. I'll give you a simple step to edit the photograph. If you're using a Windows phone, what you can do, you can right click on the photograph. With Windows laptop, we have Windows laptop, right click on the photograph, go to paint option and open that photograph in the paint. Once you do that, you will get this particular window. On this option on top left, you have a option called resize. Once you click on resize, this dialog box will appear. Click on pixels and decrease the horizontal and vertical pixels. So if it is 100 already, I can keep it 50, I can keep it 40, depending upon the resolution I want to decrease, and I need to click on OK. Once I click on OK and I save that photograph, automatically the size will be shrinked or it will be compressed so that it will be accordingly to that particular size, whatever is required. So if I further want to decrease it, I can still use this resize option and further decrease it depending upon the size I require to fill up that form. So once I do that, I have got that actual photograph to be attached. I have attached it. Next, we have date of birth, the 10th certificate to be attached. It has to be in PDF format, PC. The PDF format has to be there, and the size can be between 50 KB to 50 KB to 200 KB. Again, we can compress the photograph as I've already told you. If you want to convert a JPG picture to PDF, you can go to Google, type there that convert JPG to PDF. There are a lot of softwares available on the Google through which you can convert the photograph and you can upload it. So it's not that difficult to convert that photograph to a JPG format or JPEG to PDF. It is an easy process. It will automatically do once you give it, give it use the online option there. So once we do that, we have an option called submit and review. Once we do that, it will give us the photograph and the 10th certificate which we have attached. And once we click on submit, on the right hand side, we have an option called self-verified. I will have to tick on it, and I will have to tick on this option for date of birth certificate or 10th certificate too. Once I do that, I will get this particular option where it will show us whatever option I have filled earlier, and I can proceed to the next option. So once I see this, need to click on home, and it will give us this option back. So almost 50% of form we have filled till now. 50% is still pending. There are few more information which needs to be filled on. So now I can click on apply now option on this option, and I can choose whichever form I want to fill, and I can choose click here to proceed for the form. So I am filling up the form for BBA for a sample. I will click here to proceed, and it will take me to the BBA registration form. So here the registration form is already completed. Those information we have already filled. It is completed. These information needs to be filled up. Few of the information it will automatically fetch from the information which are already given, but few of the information will have to punch in manually here. So once I do that, I will go to the next option, application details, and I can click on application details. Once I click on that option, these are the information which is already filled. I will have to choose the nationality here. We'll have to choose from where we have completed our schooling, the 12th class. It is asking for the 12th class, guys. If you have done your 12th from Delhi, you will have to mention Delhi. If you have done your schooling outside Delhi, you will have to choose outside Delhi there. A religion option is there. You'll have to choose your religion, and the category, subcategory is also there: Sikh, minority, Muslim, Jain, Christian, and not applicable. So I am choosing not applicable because I am that is your own minority. If you are from any of this minority, you can choose that option. I am clicking on not applicable. So you need to punch in the army personnel, defense personnel, ward of JNK, or physically handicapped, yes or no. You can choose yes or no option here and click on next option. Once I click on next option, it will take us to the contact details. This is the next information. No, I have already filled. I have clicked on save and next. Before that, one more thing I would like to tell you. In other information, visibility mark, identification of candidate, it is compulsory. We'll have to punch in this information, like why I mentioned mole on my right hand, mole on my head, something like that. A visible mark where they can see whether the same candidate is giving the exam or not. So identification needs to be given here. That is mandatory. And click on save and next. Once we do that, we have already filled in the address and sub details here. We can cross check and click on save and next. Once we click on save and next, here we need to punch in our 12th information. So if I have completed my 12th, I can punch in past here. But if I have not got the results of 12th, I will be punching appearing here. Year of passing, of course, that will be 2021 for those students who will be giving entrance exam this year, who will be appearing for 12th exam, entrance exam this year. Next, board CBSE. Here, students are facing a lot of problem. Students are saying that they are unable to find the CBSE option. So how you'll get it? You need to click on this option, find for central, and once you click on space and give right board, you'll get central board of secondary option. You will have to select that option, and then you'll be able to fill in the CBSE board there. You'll have to punch in the roll number of 12th. You'll have to choose the institute name, that is the school name, and the address. I have just mentioned DPS Mathura Road. That would be enough, I guess. Result mode, that is not applicable. This is not highlighted. I don't have to fill this information. I have to click on save and next. Once I do the save and next option, it will give us these four options for the examination center. I will have to choose four examination center. So I am based out of Delhi region as of now. So what I have done, I have chosen these nearby cities, which is nearby to my location. Guys, there's no option of Gurgaon, Noida, Faridabad. Those options are not there. So this is the nearest location I have chosen for Delhi region specifically. So I have kept Delhi as a first priority. I've kept Chandigarh as a second priority. Rajasthan as a third one, where Jaipur city and Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, and the fourth one. So these are the examination centers I have bunched in. Once I click on save and next, it will take us to the next option, which will show us the upload documents and image. So photograph I've already uploaded earlier. Now I will have to attach the signature. I've already told you guys how you'll be attaching your photograph, and same way you'll be attaching a signature. If you again face problem in shrinking the photograph or compressing the photograph, you can use the same method which I told you earlier, and you can attach the photograph, the signature here. I have already attached the signature, and I will click on submit and preview. Once I click on submit and preview, it will give us this option. Again, I will have to check and verify. I have to self verify this option. I have to tick this option and to click on save, finally, and next. Once I do that, it will give us the final disclaimer that I will have to click on yes and click on save and final submit. So once I do that, I will have to go to the next option. This is the application number I have got already, and I have completed all the information. The last thing is left, that is to make the payment for the application form. So payment, pay registration fee incomplete. If I click on pay registration fee, it will take us to the next window where it will give us two payment gateways. One is the SBI EP option, and another one is BillDesk. I can choose any one of them, and I can make the payment of 1200 rupees for the application form. Guys, please remember, whatever username and password you are punching in, you will have to keep the same username and password every time, because if you use the username and password, you might not be able to give the final entrance exam. So please remember, that is important. You will have to save the username and password somewhere. For our Pratham students, what we have done, we have created a forms wallet option where students can uh, save their username and password for all the university, and they can use it whenever it is required. So guys, this is how we fill up the form for IPN University. We'll be creating more videos for Delhi University. It's about to come. We'll be creating videos for St. Xavier's. It is also pending, and DTU is also about to launch their application form. DTU for BBA, BCom Arts and Eco Honors. These forms are still pending. Guys, if you guys still face any problem in filling up the forms, our contact numbers are mentioned here. You can contact us for any kind of support between 10 to 7, and we'll assist you in further for the form filling thing. So we'll be catching in the next video of Pratham. Till that time, take care, and God bless. Stay safe.